To complete a front post treble crochet stitch, for this pattern we're going to be working the front post around the post of this heart puff. So for a treble crochet we're going to yarn over twice, insert from the front of your work to the back to the front around the post of the stitch, yarn over, pull through. You've got 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. So you just completed 1 front post treble crochet. So for this pattern, it's calling to chain 1 and then skip a chain, and then we're going to work that front post treble again around the top of the post of that heart puff stitch here. So again, yarn over twice, insert from front to back to front, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops.